Alright, so in this lesson, we are going to be installing our work tools. So when we are working with Nodejs to develop our mobile apps, we are going to be using a number of tools, alright, to help our work run smoothly. So the first tool we are going to be using is the Node.js. Alright, so this is a tool. Node.js is a tool. Node.js is a tool that allows us to run JavaScripts on our computers, not just on browsers. Alright, so like we said, that React Native is built on JavaScript. So Node.js allows us to run JavaScript on our computers. So as we are writing the codes, we can be able to run the JavaScript codes on our computers, and it makes use of it comes with npm. Npm means Node Package Manager. Node Package Manager, we use it to install and manage packages, libraries, and the tools that we use in the app. So that's Node Package Manager. So let's take note of this. Node.js is the first tool that we'll be making use of when we are developing mobile app with React Native, and that's because Node.js allows us to run JavaScript on our computers. So for us to get Node.js, you just go to Google, search Node.js. The website is nodejs.org. We'll come to that in our next class. The second tool that we're going to be making use of in our mobile app development is Expo CLI. So Expo CLI is the full meaning of the CLI is command line interface. Is the tool that allows us to run codes on our command prompts or on our terminals in our mobile app development. We can run codes like this here, npm install expo CLI. So it makes it easier for us to work on our terminals to develop the mobile app, unlike the other complex setting up of Android Studio. When we go to the practical section, you're going to see the practical of what I'm talking about. Alright, so the third tool is Expo Go app. Expo Go app. This app is on Play Store and App Store. So the work is to help us to preview our project, our work. It helps us to preview our mobile app on our mobile phones. Alright, so it gives us a QR code that we will scan with our mobile phone, and then we'll be able to preview the mobile app on our phone from our computer. We are coding on our laptop or our computer, and then we can preview it on our phones. I actually like this app, this development so much, this app, Expo Go app, because it bypasses the previous Android Studio. Android Studio is very tedious to set up, it's very heavy, and it slows down the system so much. So when I got to know about this Expo Go app, I was very happy about it. So with this, you can just set up your system and use your mobile app to preview your project, to preview your app while you continue your work. Unlike Android Studio that is very heavy and slows down the system. Sometimes it takes a long time. Sometimes, depending on the capacity of your system, it can take as much as 15 minutes to boot. That's Android Studio. But Expo Go app is very fast, to make use of. Alright, the fourth tool is the Visual Studio Code. We call it VS Code. This is the code editor where you're going to write your code. This is actually maybe the first tool that we are going to install. Alright, so this is where you write your codes. is smart, fast, and has features that can highlight syntaxes for you. If you make an error, it can highlight the error for you. It can make suggestions for you. It makes your coding work fast and easy. All right, especially the autocomplete feature, and it also has extensions. A lot of extensions that are specific for it, React Native. So it's time for us to go to the practical session and install React Native app, install VS Code, install Nodejs, install Expo CLI, and then start our mobile app development proper. Thank you for viewing this lesson. See you in the next class.